What's going on, guys? Travis Dar Fitness, coming at you with a full day of eating.
Swagger on a million, swagger on a million, swagger on a million, billion, trillion, swagger on a million, swagger on a million, swagger on a million, billion, trillion, swagger on a million, swagger on a million, swagger on a million, billion, trillion, swagger on a million, swagger on a million.
What's going on, guys? Travis Dar Fitness, coming at you with a full day of eating. Just whispering because my family's still sleeping. So I'm gonna start the day off with a nice cup of coffee and take my morning vitamins, and I'm all ready to go. I am getting ready to go train. Doing full body workouts right now, so I like to train fasted. Take these vitamins. Always try to get a gallon in of water. Take morning vitamins. So like I said, today is going to be a full day of keto eating. Just right now I'm in a kind of a maintaining phase. Nothing too strict. Just keeping the carbs low, 6 days a week, and one high carb day. And I'm just gonna show you guys what I eat on a typical day. Yeah, so I'm gonna get this coffee in, head to the gym, train, and then I will have my first meal. So here is meal number one. Got 6 eggs, 2 tablespoons of butter, and a sausage patty, and black coffee. Macros will be at the bottom of the screen. I'll see you guys at meal number 2. Make sure this little guy gets his food in. Say hi to the people, Cam. What's going on, guys? It's about 11:30, getting ready for meal number 2. And I think I'm gonna have some burger patties. I got about 4 of these burger patties that I grilled up a while ago, and about a cup of broccoli, roughly. And I think I'm gonna do some olive oil and probably throw a little bit of ranch on there. Also, with pretty much every meal, 3 meals a day anyway. So breakfast, well, you see me take my vitamins this morning, but with those, and then lunch at 11 o'clock, and then with my dinner I take some fish oil capsules, about 5 with each meal, just to kind of keep the heart health up, keep down the inflammation, that kind of thing. So I'm gonna show you guys my meal when I'm done preparing it. So we got 2, 6.3 ounces. We'll put it down at 6 just for simplicity. So another quick thing I wanted to throw in, every day I try to add in get a whole gallon of water in. If I get more, that's a bonus. Also, I'll say with the water thing, on my high carb days, which I may do a full day of eating video on that soon, I try to get my water intake down, because when you take in carbohydrates, that kind of stores with water, and you can be real bloated, so I try to keep my water intake down. But on most days, I get in a minimum of a gallon of water every single day. I try to prioritize water over diet sodas and things like that, But yeah. Speaking of diet sodas and everything, I forgot to show you guys earlier. I had a Rain energy drink. It's like 10 calories, something like that. I'll show you guys in my food log here in a moment because we're gonna do a midday check-in and see where I'm at as far as calories go. The good thing about MyFitnessPal is you can put in everything you eat. So we're gonna put in 6 ounces. Done. All right. So there's that. We're gonna add that to our log for the day. Whoops. Trying to do this behind the camera. And we're gonna add broccoli. I would say that's more like 1.5 cups, but you're not gonna overeat on broccoli. So for simplicity, we'll just put a cup. Done. Done with that. Now we're gonna add some olive oil and stuff. All right, so here is the finished product. Got my 2 hamburger patties, my broccoli, and I've got 5 fish oil pills right here. So for the day, these are our totals, what we're looking like right now. I'm pretty happy with that. Gotta get the protein up. I aim for a minimum of 200 grams of protein. I'm actually gonna try to increase that to about 225, 250 grams of protein today, and we'll see if we can hit that. So I'll see you guys at meal number 3. What's going on, everybody? Just hanging out in the office, getting a few things done. Gonna have another energy drink just before I have my next meal. I try to limit myself to about 2 energy drinks a day. I'm really liking the Rain ones lately. I had a sour apple one earlier. This is raspberry. And as you can see, it's like 10 calories per can. I am tracking these with MyFitnessPal, but 10 calories is pretty much nothing. But anyways, just want to show you guys this is going in. Nothing too crazy. Calories are still really, really low right now. I gotta get my calories up actually, so we'll see you guys at meal 3. Get ready to throw some chicken and some beef on the grill, some hamburgers. My next meal, gonna have, I got 3 ounces of mixed nuts here, you can kind of see them, and I got a chocolate cookie dough Quest bar. Let's see, here's calories. So 2,229. That goal at the bottom is just kind of arbitrary. I'm not really trying to hit that. Like, I'm gonna have to really, might have to throw in an extra protein shake and just kind of get the calories up. See, this is why it's so important to track your macros. Sometimes you might be coming up short when you don't think you are. Now, usually, under most circumstances, I don't track calories. The majority of the year, I don't track calories. Just becomes kind of tedious, but I think every so often it's a good idea to do it just to keep yourself in check and make sure you're getting what you need. So, yeah, we'll throw this chicken steak on the grill, and I'll see you guys at the next meal. Just got the kids from daycare. Say hi. Daughter's in there on the phone with my wife. So we're gonna get a protein shake. Try to get these protein numbers up. So we're gonna have some of this Ghost Way coconut ice cream. 25 grams of protein. So here we go. Get our scoop out. Another scoop. Alright, got this all shook up. Add some ice to it. Tastes better with ice. There we go. Good stuff. Ready to get this in, and I'll show you guys the macros that I got and calories to this point of the day. For the day, that puts me up to 24,029, and macros we're at 150 grams of protein, 42 carbs, some of those are net carbs, and 187 grams of fat. So now we got to focus the rest of our day on getting protein up, probably by about 100 grams. So we'll see what we can do. Come on, Mr. Dar. What do you think? Hey. Beautiful Mrs. Dar. There she is. Hello. This is my client, Allison.
My best coach ever.
Yeah, about to get after it. Yeah.
It's a gorgeous day to get after it.
It really is.
It is.
Just got done training my last client of the day. I'm gonna eat this meal. And I don't know what I'm doing for dinner. I think I'm gonna do those other 2 burger patties. I gotta get my protein up. We gotta at least hit 200 grams. I'm getting kind of worried. Got 6.3 ounces of ground beef. Do some broccoli with it.
So maybe not this week.
So, here's the final meal of the day. About 6 ounces of the beef. Same thing I ate earlier for meal 2, just with some cheese. About 4 ounces of cheese here. I will give totals here in a little bit. Show you guys what I ended up with for the day. Okay. Just want to film this real quick so I can go to bed because this guy is ready for bed. So, trying to be as quiet as I can be. I was thinking about doing a protein shake before I went to bed, but I'm not going to. So, totals for the day. See that. Calories. And my macros for the day. Here are the totals for the day. See that? I don't know if you can see that, but so that's what we ended up with for today. Yeah, so that is a full day of eating. Hope you guys enjoyed. Kind of see what I eat in a day, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace. Say goodnight, son. Tell the people goodnight. Or don't.
Swagger on a million, swagger on a million, swagger on a million, billion, trillion, swagger on a million, swagger on a million, swagger on a million, billion, trillion, swagger on a million, swagger on a million, swagger